Now I am going to show you what is force delete. Force delete means if you have a system where you use the soft delete like this, but here you want to apply the force delete in some cases. If you did not write the soft deletes in your model, so normally if you call the delete, it will normally be force delete. But when you are going to use the soft delete here, and in the same time you want to force delete in some cases, in that case you will have to use the force delete function. So in that case, for example, public function I will call the force delete like this. So this is a method, for example. Now I am going to web.php and here I am going to call the method that is force delete, and here's force, for example, force delete or force delete, no problem, you can write anything here. So in this case I am just going to copy the code to delete a data, and here I will use here instead of delete, that will be force delete. Now if I run here, for example, my table is students and I want the number 3, I will use the force delete. So here I will have to use force delete, enter. Now if I refresh, you will see that the data has been deleted completely from here. That means the row has been deleted. So in this way you can use the force delete function in order to delete a data completely from your database table.